my braid out tutorial. And I know y'all have been asking for this for a while now. So sorry, I had class, I'm in college, I'm a college student. So it's just a lot of stuff getting in the way, but I'm finally doing this braid out tutorial for you guys, and I will be using the Taliah Waajid Apple and Aloe line just because my wash and go got a lot of good feedback, and I know you guys want to see how these products work on my hair with like different hairstyles. So I'm going to do a braid out tutorial. I also want to mention this awesome t-shirt that you guys probably seen on my Instagram. It's a What's Poppin' tee by Personally She. So what's poppin'? This melanin, these curls, both. Ow. If you guys want to purchase this shirt, I'll put the link in the bio. This shirt is super cute. It fits well. It's lightweight, you know. It's hot this summer. So, you know, just little cute shirts like these are always necessary. So definitely get one if you're interested, and I'll also have a discount code, 15% discount code that I'll post below also. So yeah, how cute is this? What's poppin'? Alright, so let's get started. I was deep conditioning my hair with just some regular, some organic conditioner. It's been in there since yesterday, so I just rinsed it out after my workout, and now I'm going to braid it all up. So let me just tell you all the order I'm going to use these products in. So first I'm going to use the leave-in conditioner, of course, just to soften it up and, you know, add a little moisture. Then I'll be using the curl definer and also the hold me down jelly. So I'll be using all three products just like I used all three in the wash and go, but this time it'll be a braid out. So I like to just do about small to medium sized braids, but not like micro braids because it takes longer, one, and two, when you're unraveling the braids, it's harder, it's easier to mess it up when it's so small because you're trying so hard to separate the braid. You want your braids to be big enough to where it's easy to take them out the next day so you're not messing up your braid pattern or your curl pattern of the braid. So I made a part in the back and I'm going to split it into 3 sections, so this will be 3 braids. My leave-in conditioner, and since I'm using so many products, I'm using 3 different products, I really don't need to use a lot of each because all 3 will be enough to define my curl, or all 3 will be enough to hold my braids and to hold my definition of my braid out. So I'm gonna rub this leave-in in, finger detangle. And you have to detangle your hair when you do your braid out so that it comes out super sleek and like wavy. So next I'm going to take my curl definer. Keep finger detangling. And then I'm going to use my Apple and Aloe jelly, and that's going to give me a lot of hold. So my braid out is going to last me a while. And then you just start braiding. When my ends get too thin to continue braiding, I just do a 2-strand twist on the end just to keep the same pattern from the braid all the way down to the ends. So I finished braiding up all my hair, and I just sleep with a bonnet on at night and just throw all my braids up in there, and then the next day I will just unravel my braids. Now my hair usually dries overnight, but it may take longer. It just depends on the amount of products you use and the amount of water that was in your hair. But this is a good size for your braids to dry quickly, so if they're too big it'll take too long, but these are a decent size. So it should be dry by tomorrow, and then I will unravel them and show you guys the results. Alright guys, so I took my braids out of my bonnet, and now I'm just going to unravel them and undo them gently. So I'm going to be using this Aloe Naturals Essential 17 hair growth oil. And I'm going to put a little bit on my fingertips and unravel my braids. So this oil will just help me lock in moisture over the next few days. So usually I like to start in the back and then work my way to the front. Gently unravel where you don't mess up the pattern of the braid. So I took all my braids out and my hair is super flowy and bouncy, just like I like my braid outs to be. I like my hair to be able to flow in the wind. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my braid out pattern, and then I will show you how I pick my hair out, slick down my edges, and show you the final look. My braids, I just like to pick my hair at the roots, but very gently, just to add a little bit of body. So I'm not gonna be even touching any of this with the pick. None of this will be touched with the pick, just the immediate root. So I usually grab it, pull, and then I'll just, and I'll repeat it. Adds a little bit more body, so it's a little bit bigger than what it was before, and it's not so tight on my head. Alright, so this edge control made my edges dumb shiny, but anyways, y'all see, y'all get the point that your edge is supposed to be laid on one side. And yeah, this is just like my braid out routine that I always do. It's just really easy, and it's really good for hair growth because it's super gentle on your hair and it lasts a while. So I just sleep with my hair in a pineapple sitting on top of my head, and then I put on my scarf and throw my bonnet on top and go to sleep. So I hope this tutorial was super informative. I think Taliah Waajid, Apple and Aloe line did a really good job at defining my braid out and holding the actual shape of the braids in my hair. So definitely give it a try, you guys. I really love this line, and thank you for watching. I hope that it was very informative and it helped you guys achieve your braid out goals.